madam.
and investigation officer of the case,
Yes, madam. Both.
Vijay Burman and Pump Singh?
Yes, madam.
Yes.
SP.
Mr. SP, how the investigations are going on in our district? Whether you are supervising the work of your subordinates or not?
सर ये केस पिछले साल का है सर. अभी 16 मार्च को मैंने ज्वाइन किया था. और ये
No, I don't mean ki when you have joined, whether you are supervising the cases investigated by your subordinates or not.
yes sir, be supervisor.
Because in this case, seizure is made after coming over to the police station.
Yes, sir.
Well, as per the story recorded by the police,
Sir.
thus the information was received at some time. Seizure is made at a place of spot.
Sir.
The entire story depicts some other facts. These are the heinous cases of the NDPS Act.
Sir.
If this is the position of the investigation, then how you will get success before the court of law?
आईओ से लिया मैंने सर अभी जानकारी ली है, चूंकि अभी उस समय के बाद मैटर्निटी लीव में लंबे समय तक रही. 2 दिन पहले ही अभी इनको बुलाया है.
I just wanted to know whether police department is conducting some
yes sir, I have
training programs for the investigation officer. Ki how do they have to carry out the investigation in such heinous cases?
yes sir. समय समय पे हम लोग लगातार
लेकिन
इन्वेस्टिगेशन
इनके काम में सुधार क्यों नहीं होता भाई? देखिए एक सिस्टमेटिक आपका है कि व्हेन यू रिसीव द इंफॉर्मेशन वो टाइम,
सर.
उसके बाद आपने कब विटनेस बुलाया, कब अपने सुपीरियर ऑफिसर को इंफॉर्मेशन दिया,
सर.
एंड व्हेन यू इंटरसेप्टेड द व्हीकल एंड द पर्सन कंसर्न
सर.
हु वाज हैविंग सम कॉन्टेमेंट. तो ये सब आपका सिस्टमेटिक उसमें होना चाहिए. ये अलग अलग टाइम्स क्यों आते हैं? कितनी इसमें कितना ज्यादा अंतर है समय में, आपने देखा है?
जी सर.
अब कैसे, हाउ विल जस्टिफाई दीज थिंग्स बिफोर द कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ? आप इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर, ये अलग अलग समय कैसे पड़े हुए हैं आपके?
सर लिखने में गलती हो गई.
हैं?
सर लिखने में गलती हो गई थी.
अरे लिखने में गलती हो गई, लेकिन आपने तो ये इतना बड़ा केस है, कितना ज्यादा इसमें डोडा चूरा बरामद हुआ है?
140 किलो पर.
1 क्विंटल and 40 kg.
Yes, madam.
नार्कोटिक्स कॉन्टेमेंट इज सीज्ड, और आपने एक सिंपल से कह दिया गलती हो गई. ऐसे कैसे काम चलेगा? दिस इज ए केस अंडर एनडीपीएस एक्ट एंड accused is going to get benefit of your fault. So what action you have proposed against him?
सर मैंने प्रिलिमिनरी इंक्वायरी दोनों जो आईओस थे ये एडिशनल एसपी को दे दिया सर. 10 डेज में कर लेंगे, चूंकि ये अभी लीव पे थी लंबे समय से. कल ही इसी केस के लिए बुलाया है सर. तो इनसे पूरे शोकाज नोटिस भी दिए हैं सर, और एक इंक्वायरी करके सर अगले 10 दिन में मैं पुट अप करूंगा.
नहीं, आप इनको क्या है भाई, आफ्टर ऑल द यू कंडक्ट द ट्रेनिंग क्लासेस.
यस.
इन लोगों के लिए कैसे इनको करना है? अभी कहीं आपका 52A का कंप्लायंस नहीं, कहीं 42 का कंप्लायंस नहीं.
सर
भाई दीज आर द टेक्निकल एक्ट्स.
बिल्कुल करा दूंगा सर. स्पेशली इसके लिए भी अलग से ट्रेनिंग कोर्सेज में
कहीं पर आप लोग स्टैंडर्ड ऑर्डर का कंप्लायंस नहीं करते हैं. प्रश्न उठता है ऐसे केस बनाने का मतलब क्या है जो कि न्यायालय के सामने बिल्कुल टिक ही नहीं पाए. भाई केस का इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऐसा होना चाहिए कि जब आपकी बात कोर्ट के सामने रखी जाए तो उस पर विश्वास हो और आपको उसमें सफलता मिले, तब तो प्रोसिक्यूशन का केस सही है. अब आपने इस केस में जैसा किया वो तो बड़ा मुश्किल काम है. तो क्या एक्शन लेंगे आप इनके खिलाफ? वो डी क्या, वो तो पेपर अपने आप में स्टोरी बता रहे हैं क्या होना है.
जी जी.
देन व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम पनिशमेंट यू कैन अवॉइड? You will award or the IG will award?
IG के पास जाएगा, इंक्वायरी मैं करके और उससे प्रपोज करूंगा सर, फिर IG लोन करेंगे.
नहीं, I have seen in most of the cases you are imposing fine only. That is not sufficient.
नहीं सर, इसमें अकॉर्डिंग टू जो इनके त्रुटि है उसी के अनुपात में ही सजा.
क्या होता है, these are very serious matters and we are coming across with such cases not only from the Khandwa but from the other districts also. A number of time I have asked to the government advocate, we asked to the police officers to improve the investigation. 12-12 घंटे के अंदर आ रहा है, 14-14 घंटे के अंदर आ रहा है, कैसे आप चीजों को जस्टिफाई करेंगे? लिखिए। यस स्टेट।
मतलब 140 टोटा चूरत से बरामद हुआ और ये यही गाड़ी चला रहा था।
वो ठीक है, लेकिन आपका जो आप अपने पेपर्स तो देखिए।
यस मैडम, वो तो टाइपिंग मिस्टेक हुई।
दैट इज टाइपिंग मिस्टेक।
यस।
आप चेक नहीं करते हैं कि आप कोर्ट में पेपर फाइल कर रहे हैं इससे पहले? एंड हु वाज द एसएचओ? यू वाज द एसएचओ आल्सो?
सर
एसएचओ और आयु दोनों ये भी थे। फिर उसके बाद
इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर कौन है?
मैं
और एसएचओ भी आप ही हैं?
यस।
तो आपकी जिम्मेदारी है, पहले तो इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर के नाते आपको हर चीज देखनी थी, एंड सेकेंडली एक एसएचओ की भी जिम्मेदारी होती है, बिफोर पुटिंग सिग्नेचर ऑन एनी फाइनल रिपोर्ट ही इज रिक्वायर्ड टू गो थ्रू द पेपर्स कि क्या सही तरीके से चार्जशीट, वेदर इट इज बीइंग फाइल्ड बिफोर द कोर्ट और नॉट। कब आप आए नौकरी में?
सर 2012
2012 में। नाउ यू आर वेरी सीनियर ऑफिसर, यू हैव ऑलरेडी पुट ऑलमोस्ट 12 years in service.
सर एनडीपीएस केसेस अभी पहली बार ही किया था, ये पहला केस था सर।
But this is not an excuse that you have conducted or you see this NDPS case for the very first time. How we can refuse the bill when there is so much lacuna in the prosecution matters, police matters? लाइए डायरी। यस मैडम, क्या कहना था आपका इसमें?
My lord, as per the submission of typing mistake is there are 3 pages, my lord, in different timings, or the early timing is mentioned, my lord. Section 50 notice has been given at 8:56. At 8:40 at 8:40 my sign has been taken, my lord.
FIR is registered at 2:47 p.m.
FIR is of much later time, my lord.
2:47 p.m. and as for the information was received in the morning.
At 9:12 they leave the police station, my lord, and at
The information was received at 8:17 a.m.
8:17. So it can't be 8:12 also, my lord, and in that perspective also, if it is assumed to be, it can't be 8:12. And 3 different times.
8:12 is the seizure time.
No. 8:12 is not at all any timing, my lord. 9:12 is the timing of leaving the police station, my lord.
Yes.
Yes.
It is the time when information was received at 8:17 a.m.
Yes, my lord.
And what is the other discrepancy?
Other discrepancies, search warrant has been given at 8:56, my lord. 8:56 a.m. पंचनामा पूछताछ नाम एवं अवगत कराने मुखबिर सूचना at 8:40
a.m.
Yes. And section 50 notice at 9 o'clock, my lord. And my sign.
Same day.
Yes, same day, my lord.
And when you were intercepted, your vehicle was intercepted?
Vehicle must be at much later time, my lord. All the timings are after this time.
Seizure is shown at 1:20 p.m.
But my lord, these 3 timings which have been mentioned, section 50 notice, search warrant and पूछताछ, all the timings are before 9:12. My submission is all the 3 dates cannot be mismatched and it can't be typing error, my lords. Because the same has been also mentioned in the FIR and in the Roznamcha also. This proceeding has been done by sitting in the police station, and the circumstances also reveals, my lord, that the Gadi owner who has been absconding, my lord, the NDPS crime has been recorded against that person who is still absconding, my lord. And I, at the age of 42, do not have any criminal past, my lord. Gives the sign that I have been falsely implicated along with the discrepancies.
एक क्रिमिनल पास्ट है पुराना वाला।
No criminal past is shown here in the.
क्या है?
34(1) का है।
अच्छा।
That is also not shown in the challan, my lord.
34(1) when it was registered?
In long back, 98.
But in the challan there is no record as such. That I've not found any. But the Gadi owner is having NDPS record, my lord.
So from excise you have jumped to the narcotics.
No, my lord, I have not jumped into any criminal offense, my lord. The story itself makes it. Many a times it happens, my lord, to escape the real culprit, my lord, the innocent gets trapped. And along with that, although these are not...
Madam, tell me, you intercepted the vehicle as per your documents at 9:12 a.m. Why seizure was made almost after 4 hours? It took 4 hours you to seize the contraband? Because as per the report, you intercepted the vehicle at 9:12 a.m. At around 9:15, 9:30. लिखिए. Shri, your good name.
Vidhi Singh.
Miss Vidhi Singh, learned counsel for the applicant. Shri Pradeep Uttar, learned counsel for respondent state. This first will application, second will application under section 439 of CRPC has been filed in relation to FIR number 257/23 of PS Chagaon Makhan district Khandwa for commission of offense under section 8/15 of the NDS PS Act 1985. Applicant is in detention since 30/5/2023. Next. First bail application of the applicant was dismissed for want of prosecution. Wide order dated 31/10/2023, passed in MCRP number 41880/23. Next. As per the prosecution story on 30/5/2023, at around 8:12 a.m., submitted that applicant has not committed any offense. He is innocent. He has been falsely implicated. No contraband was seized from his possession. It is submitted by learned counsel that as per the Panchnama prepared by the police, applicant was apprehended at 40 a.m. Well, at 40 a.m. and notice under section 50 of NDPS Act was given to him at 9 a.m. Well, applicant will not released on bail. Next, in this case, after investigation, charge sheet has already been filed. Applicant is in jail for almost last 1 year. Undoubtedly, huge quantity has been seized, but at the same time, the discrepancy that pointed out by the learned counsel for the applicant cannot be ignored, because as for the police papers, applicant is apprehended at 8:56 a.m. and seizure has been made at 1:30 p.m. Confirmation the submissions put forth by learned counsel for the applicant, but without expressing any opinion on merit of the case, I am inclined to release applicant on bail. ठीक है, अब इसके बाद अलग से लिखिए. अलग से दूसरे उसमें लिखना, इसको उसमें लिखिए. एसपी सुपरिंटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस खंडवा मनोज कुमार रॉय, along with investigation officer of the case, Srimati Anupam Singh.
Yes.
And Vijay Burma, the investigation officer of the case, is present. He was asked about the discrepancy and the nature of investigation and the nature of investigation and the way in which investigation had been conducted. It is submitted by Superintendent of Police that he has recently joined at
In the month of March, yes.
And this matter is almost of
1 year.
1 year back.
Yes.
Though he has assured the court that he will take, though he has submitted that he has already initiated disciplinary action against the erring officials. Okay, considering the assurance, all three officers present in the court are discharged. However, police is however, Superintendent of Police Khandwa is directed to conduct training programs for the investigation officer as to how seizures have to be conducted and how other provisions of the Act have to be complied with in letter of respect. ठीक है